Let us know more about the app Make My Trip. Make My Trip is an online travel booking app wherein you can be able to book flights, railways, hotels, and vacations. You can also use the app to check the airfares or the hotel rates uh, to the places where you are planning your vacation. Let us see what you can do using this app. Let us begin by opening Make My Trip. Once this app opens, you can see the banner with the ads which are going on currently, and you can see some promotional offers wherein it is written that airfare starting at 34 only, and you will get to see some discounts as well. If you click on flights, then you get this window wherein you have to put where you want to fly and what destination you want to fly to. For example, if you want to fly from Delhi to Patna, then you can click here and write Patna. You can select the date at which you want to fly. Let us assume it's 1st of December. Click OK, and then if you hit search, then it will show you all the flights which fly from Delhi to Patna along with their rates. And if you want to book it right away, you can just click on any flight and you would be able to book that as well. Let us go to the main screen of the app. Similarly, you can do it for hotels, railways, and holidays.